MS200t. And the MS290. Sharpening chains after yesterday's tree work. Back to the Stihl grinder. Now we're back at the grinder. This is a 20-inch chain for the MS290, and last time we did the chain for the 201t. This is the MS290, all cleaned up, looks pretty good. Now we're on to the chain. So let me see if I can do this. It's tricky to do with one hand, but let me see how I can do this. So, I know that you're not in the frame, but anyway, you see the cutting tube, and it gets right up in there. Now, you don't want to take off a lot of material, but you do want to get sharp. And as you can see right there, that's pretty sharp. And we'll buzz through all this. And obviously with this system, it's tricky to see how this thing looks pretty good. Just go through that. So I'll finish up here. You guys can get a look at the Stihl sharpener. You saw it last time with a 30-degree cut, and we'll come back, got a little light there, come back and put that 290 back together. Okay, we wrapped up the 290 sharpening and wipe this thing down, and show you the 290 here. Alright, put it together. So anyway, I got some aftermarket dogs on there, and pretty good saw. A little heavy for the weight of the saw, but nonetheless, it's got power. And I wanted a smaller bar in there, so could do some light tree work. Anyway, that's it with the saw work this weekend, so all cleaned up, ready for the next trip. Okay, so that wraps it up. There's the 200t, the 460, sorry, the 290 there, the 021, Old Faithful, and then way in the back there, I got a 441, and big dog. Nice saw. There's all four of them, all cleaned, ready for the next cutting job. Have a great day.